Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is electron configuration of neon. So neon is the 10th element on the periodic table, so we're going to write down an atomic number of 10. Its atomic mass number is 20. Okay, so since the atomic number is 10, it has 10 protons. And since neon's an electrically neutral atom, it would have to have 10 electrons. But what about its neutron count? Well, neutrons are like AMU minus protons equals our number of neutrons. So we have 20 minus 10, which would give me 10 neutrons. Okay, so we're going to put a 10 right here. So now, before we do our electron configuration, it's important to remember that S holds 2 electrons, P holds 6 electrons, D holds 10 electrons, and F holds 14 electrons. Okay, and we're going to start right here with our diagonal rule, which we often call the off-ball principle. And we're going to start right here. We're going to go down these slides. These red arrows represent slides. And so we're going to follow the trip down these arrows until we run out of electrons. Okay, well, let's start with the electron configuration of neon. All right, so 1s2. We've used up 2 electrons. So let's go to the next slide. Slide down this one. And now we have 2s2. And then we're going to go into the next slide and go down to 2p. And we're going to stop there because p can hold 6 electrons, so it's going to give me 2p6. Guess what? We just ran out of electrons. So that's our electron configuration. It looks pretty easy, isn't it? And it is. It really isn't that hard. Let's look at our orbital notation. Now, our orbital notation uses Hund's rule. Hund's rule basically says that in every sublevel, you can only put up an electron before you start the down electrons, right? So look, up 1, down 1. There you go. 2s. So we got 1 sublevel, up 1, down 1. Now we have 2px, 2py, and we have 2pz. Pretty cool, huh? So let's count our arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gosh, wow, this is not that hard, is it? Noble gas notation. Guess what, guys? Neon is a noble gas. So you're just going to write Ne. There it is. There's that noble gas notation. That's it, right? All right, so now let's look at our quantum numbers. All right, so we have N, L, M, and S. Okay, what would you know about neon? Well, it's in the second period, so it has a N value of 2. It's located right here on the very edge of the P block, right? So it's going to, the L value is going to be 1 since it's in the P block. Oh man, this is so sweet. And remember that our magnetic number is minus 101, minus 101. Since it's the 6th element, it's going to be 1 there in that case. And now let's look at our last arrow. That's really, really important right here. That arrow is going down. So our spin number is going to be 1/2 negative. So we're going to write down 1/2 negative. Well, that's it. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.